What's up, you guys? It's Chris, and I'm back to bring you the second update to my progress in my game. Um, I have done quite a bit, mostly just drawing. One of my friends, Rascally Wabbit, he he drew the title screen for me so that I can work on the main, like the first level. So I've done some learning and um, I've implemented a few things that I like, and I hope you guys do too. This is all my code, all the enemies and whatnot. But yeah, so let's see what it looks like. This is a start menu created by Rascally Wabbit, and I'm gonna make it to where you can move the character around, but it's not. I haven't fixed that yet. It has some bugs, like see, it won't let me go any farther than that, and I can go down and whatever. So it's not completely working yet, but I'll have that done soon. And to me, this start game looks kind of funny, but I'll like all this stuff is just little tweaks that I'll be. Well, this is little tweaks. This is a little bit bigger, but it'll basically be a main title screen that has start game options, and I'm hoping to be able to create a create mode so you can make your own levels and stuff. So that'll be pretty cool if I can get that in. And then off to the side, you'll be able to move this guy around and do this little maze, and like I'll have a couple switches up in the corners so that if you get out of the maze and you can activate the switches, and then like this block will disappear and you can walk into the title screen area, and once you get in here it'll make it to where like you unlock a new character that you can play as, and it'll just be like a different shape or a different square with like a design on it or something. I don't know. It's just an idea so far. Start game. So I've added a little bit since the last one. One of the big steps was my working animated electric barrier there. Um, it it wasn't hard to figure out, but it was just really cool when I got it working. But anyway, like the barrier, it's electric, so if you touch it, then it kills you. And it's guarding, like it's blocking the path between you and the checkpoint. So if you make it through all this stuff that you've seen before, and then you go through the teleporter, it'll take you up here. And this is a checkpoint slash teleporter receiver thing. So as soon as you get teleported here, then this barrier will disappear, and you can, if you die, then you'll be sent. You can go through this teleporter, and it'll take you back here, so you don't have to do all this again. And I plan on adding in like switches for keys to unlock different rooms and stuff like that, but since this is the first level, the first level of every game is always easy. So this is pretty straightforward. It's the first level is basically just going to be a course that you just have to get to the end, and then like the second level it'll be like a course mixed with one puzzle, and then the third level it'll be more puzzles and stuff like that. Like it'll just get harder as you progress in the game. So just gonna try and get through this teleporter really quick. Okay, so there. As you can see, I went through the teleporter and now it brought me here, and the barrier disappeared. So now, if say this enemy kills me, then I go back to the beginning and I can just go down here and bam, I'm back. So that was kind of cool. I thought, I mean, maybe in the in the next levels I might not have a checkpoint. Just, oh my god, just to make things a little bit harder. But, ah, shit. Why am I dying so much? Come on, I created the game. Come on, I can do this. It's not that hard. So, God, now I forgot what I was gonna say. Jesus. But, yeah. Um, Crap. I was gonna say something. Oh well, I guess it couldn't have been too important since, I forgot. But, yeah, I haven't completely finished this level yet, but I'm gonna have another enemy circling here, because it's gonna be like where you have a choice to where you can either go through the two circling pretty fast, or you could go through the one that'll be circling slower, but um, it'll still be just as challenging, and you can go up through here and whatever. Um, oh yeah, the challenge right now that I'm trying to figure out is how to use the class files, because if I keep up what I'm doing here with all the code, then it's just gonna screw me over in the long run. Because, like, if I put every bit of the code in just the game class, then it's kind of hard. It gives me a headache when I'm looking through it because it's just, where did I put everything? That's why I have these green bars separating things, just so I know, like, all right, this is where I put this code and whatever. So, like, my collision stuff is in its own class, and then my title menu picture is in its own class. So I'm moving up with that, but like, I have to figure this out because all the levels will be their own class. So that'll, like, I need to figure this out. Once I do, then I'll be golden. And everything will be a piece of cake, and this game will just be time consuming in creating. But yeah, that's it for this update. I hope you enjoy the progress, because it's taken me quite a bit of time, and I'm learning a lot though. So I thank you guys for, well, one, watching, and two, helping me push myself to keep doing this. So I needed it. It's kind of nice. But yeah, that's it for me, and see you guys in the next update.